Look at me, I used to be such a happy guy, till my baby taught me how to cry. The girl you're holding in your arms tonight, the one who thrills you with her every sigh. I taught her how to love, how to kiss, oh yeah, but she taught me how to cry. She learned her lessons oh so perfectly, and for a while I was a happy guy. I taught her how to laugh, how to smile, whoa, yeah, but she taught me how to cry. I thought that I had found the real live angel, someone whose love would never die. She looked, she laughed and smiled just like an angel, till someone came and taught her how to lie. So when you hold her in your arms tonight, and you think you're such a lucky guy, remember I once felt the same as you, whoa, yeah, but she taught me how to cry.